Cat Daddy takes 76.
Check this out, baby girl. Why don't you check out a nigga? Cat G skinny like Squidward. Looking for your girl. Just missed it. Then my cat daddy and I took it down. Timber. It's cold, mama call it winter. Swisher full of nuggets, daddy call it dinner. Baby got ass, Shelty call it dinners. UPS Jackson's Gilly, we deliver. Cat daddy when I dug it, cat daddy when I remember.
The skinnies, they for Regis, I remember.
Competition, see the crease, they surrender. Smoking wide cleft kush, now I'm gone to the limit. Move your arms like your wheelchair stuck. Drop low, grab your shoulder like fuck. 10 power 106 to bang this shit. Big up to my bro Sam, he the king of this shit. Call me SpongeBob, crack daddy. Bitch, I go to work, do my cat daddy. Call me SpongeBob, stacking Krabby Patties. Bitch, I go to work, do my cat daddy.
Do you know how long it took us? We started the dance at 3 o'clock. It's 5:15, and we just finished learning and recording 500 times. She didn't get the first part right.
Bull,
Like
don't believe that shit.
You did.
We both fucked up, like.
But wasn't it good? We know.
We're very aware of the situation. I'm sorry.
Thank you. I'd like to shout out to Reggie House
Why? You didn't help.
for teaching me that. You taught me that. I just want to say thanks.
Oh my god.
I just want to thank you from deep down all right there. All right. And this would like to thank you as well. All right.
Oh my god.
Bye, guys.